Blake, thanks for joining us today following what has been a huge week for NMR. So let's get straight to the big ticket item. NMR has entered an agreement to acquire the McLaughlin Lake lithium project in Canada. To start, can you just provide us with some insight into the project and what makes this such a compelling opportunity for NMR and its shareholders?
Thanks, Alex. Yes, certainly it's been a busy few weeks, and we're very excited about picking up McLaughlin Lake. McLaughlin Lake is a great opportunity for NMR, and we've secured a very commercially favourable transaction. McLaughlin Lake provides NMR with exposure to high-quality lithium exploration assets in a world-class jurisdiction, highly complementary to our assets based in Australia, which is predominantly copper and gold, and strengthened by the exposure to high-end demand for battery metal markets. So we're really pleased with the acquisition of McLaughlin Lake because it just expands us into the lithium space.
Thanks, Blake. Now, I note in your ASX announcement some exceptionally high lithium grades from previous work at McLaughlin Lake. Are you able to provide some insight into what attracted you most to this opportunity in Canada?
Yeah, Alex, the McLaughlin Lake opportunity came to us, and it's potentially a very exciting opportunity and a major focus for NMR moving forward. We're very encouraged by the scale and potential of the project, which has a 30-kilometre strike length with the potential to host lithium-bearing pegmatites along the entire length. Just giving you a quick rundown of the previous work that was mapped. There, at the moment, there's a 400-metre outcropping pegmatite dike with a width of up to 2.2 metres, that looks longer. A 1.5 metre long channel sample across the dike has been assayed at 1.32%. And grab samples, the second dike, so this is a separate dike, have returned assays of 0.98 and up to 2.9%. Now, what's interesting with the information we're now collating is we are seeing numerous pegmatite dikes and outcrops have been mapped. And the interesting part for us is the team that actually did this in 1958 and also in 61, and then it was followed up to basically check those results in 2012. Both parties have only just basically walked 400 metres, so not much has been done in this vast area, but now we are making confirmation we have several more pegmatite dike outcrops.
Thanks, Blake. So you've reported that work at McLaughlin Lake will be underway in a matter of days. Can you just talk us through the key focuses of this initial program?
Yeah, so our team is on the plane early next week. We start on the ground in Canada, McLaughlin Lake, on the 8th of September, so we're moving extremely quickly. We're working with our partners in Canada, so they have local knowledge, and the geos there know the area extremely well, and they're experts in lithium. So we'll be looking at a geological survey, we'll be doing mapping and ground-based sampling to commercially understand what grade of lithium we have at McLaughlin Lake. We'll also be doing some channel sampling as well. The geological survey will include helicopter, magnetic and radiometric geometrics survey and radar survey. The target mapping channel and rock chip sample program of known lithium-bearing pegmatites, and then also we'll be mapping the numerous outcrops that we've just been informed that are there. We'll be taking some samples from those as well.
Thanks, Blake. Look, it sounds like a great addition to your portfolio, but now moving closer to home, you've also reported that drilling is set to commence at your Maneater project in North Queensland. Can you just give us a quick recap on your Maneater project and what will this round of drilling be looking to achieve?
Alex, the team will be starting drilling on Saturday, at the very latest Sunday this week. Maneaters is a very, very exciting target for us. As you know, we did the airborne magnetics, we did the IP, and it's come up with some huge anomalies there. At the end of the last drilling, we had, off memory, I think it was about 19.8 grams per tonne gold. So it encouraged us to look further. Maneaters is a large-scale silver, lead, zinc, gold target located about 100 kilometres in from Cairns. We're looking at a 2,000 metre drilling program, and as I said, that will kick off on Saturday. Priority focus for the upcoming drill program will be to understand the new 900 metre long chargeability high anomaly, which is on the eastern side. It's an eastern anomaly. We're looking to do 6 drill holes there. and test a number of the anomaly zones that were highlighted during the completing of the PDIP survey. So we're really excited about what we're expecting there. The good news for us is this is showing it's going to be quite shallow. So we're really, really excited about seeing the core come out in the first 100 metres. The first priority holes have been planned and targeted, and the best opportunities for sulfide mineralisation will assist NMR in determining the style, the size and the shape of the anomaly that has been determined in the PDIP survey. So really exciting times for us.
Thanks, Blake. So clearly a lot of exploration activity for investors to look forward to, both in Australia and over in Canada over the coming months. To finish, would you be able to give us a quick rundown on your pipeline of activity for the next few months, and how quickly do you think you'll be able to get things underway in Canada?
I'll talk about Canada just quickly. The team are on the ground on the 8th of September. As I said, they'll be doing channel sampling, they'll be doing rock chip sampling, and they'll be doing mapping of the outcrops. Those samples will be sent off, and we're expecting to have some results from those samples around about the 15th to 20th of October. So it's going to be a very quick turnaround to understand exactly what grade we're looking at. Now, everything that's been taken from this area so far has been, at the 1% or greater. So it's giving us great confidence. And on the back of these samples that we will be taking, we'll be able to see exactly what grade we have in different outcrops to give us a better indication. We've already booked preliminary drilling in Canada, and that will start in the second week of January. So we're very buoyed by what we've seen. Our partners over in Canada and the geologists there are very excited about the sampling, channel sampling, and getting the assays back to begin a drilling program in basically the second week of January in 2024. When I look at man-eaters, we will look to have the results hopefully back by the end of October. So again, that will be a quick turnaround. I'm looking to understand the core, and I'd say in the back end of next week, we will understand whether the core has massive sulfides and mineralisation in the core, and we'll update the market on the back of what we see from the core, and we'll take the photos and get that out in an announcement. But we're really excited about where we are and what we've got, and I think that the market will respond accordingly.
Fantastic, Blake. Congratulations on the acquisition, and we'll be keenly observing the progress across the portfolio. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks, Alex. Look forward to updating you.